Hello, everyone. Welcome to the CWT live trading room. My name is Patrick, and Steve is also here. He is the partner from the live trading room. We trade together. And we are happy to have the live trading room. So a little bit about me. I'm 40 years old. I'm trading more than 20 years, active as professional trader. I'm working with hedge funds. I'm working with investors. I'm trading my own capital. Sometimes I move small money, sometimes I move big monies. It's all about how the market is going. And yeah, so for me, what you can expect from me, I will teach you everything what I know about trading. Later, we will show you our resources. We give so many great lessons. We teach you everything what we know. Sometimes it's more like a small mentorship. But Steve, maybe you can say something about you and what the people can expect.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks, Patrick. Yeah, guys, welcome. My name is Steve. I've been involved in the markets for close to 12 years now, trading full time. This is, my full-time income, my full-time career, my full-time life. This is what I do. And I gain enough knowledge, enough experience to do this comfortably day in and day out, know how to measure my risk. I have the discipline. And yeah, Patrick and I have been trading privately for quite a while now, and we want to present this group to you for everyone so everyone can kind of gain an insight into our minds once we're trading live, how we measure our risk, and especially once we're live into the market. When we're live, whether we're long, we're short, we're intraday, we're quick in, quick out, or the reasoning why we're holding like trades also like longer. We always provide live commentary. We always provide live confluence, whether it's what's affecting the main assets that we trade. It can be all across the board from the S&P, the NASDAQ. So give a clear example of today, where we were trading the NASDAQ and our main confluence indicator was the VIX. We're just kind of presenting strong hold, whether to go long or short. And then, yeah, that just gives us a strong bias of whichever way to trade. So we're always presenting, strong commentary, always ready for it, like a high to medium to low impactful news that's coming in, always preparing you guys, always preparing ourselves. And yeah, we're just fully accountable what's presented in the market, always ready for when things are happening. And yeah, presenting everything in front of you guys. So yeah, we give you this opportunity to join us. It's a strong community where everyone shares the insights. If we have any questions, we always have a Q&A once we're done trading, of course. Like, their trades could last from half an hour to a few hours. Every day is different. So once our trading is done, we provide this Q&A, this little mentorship for the people to talk about different ideas, not only strategies, but mainly about risk, about discipline, what tools to use to put those risk parameters in place.
Yeah, so you bring it on the point. So the best thing is what you can get is you can see how professional traders react, how professional traders speak together, how professional traders guide each together. So you can come in our mind and see how we think about the market, how we think about the candles. Is this now a good entry point? Is this now a good exit point? And the best thing is, Steve, bring it on the point. You have an every trading session. We have a Q&A. You can come live to us. You can speak with us. Maybe you can develop your own trading plan. So you can ask questions about your trading plan. You can ask questions about what holds you back. You can ask questions about why we go into the market, why we don't take any trades. You can speak everything about what is trading related. And that's the beauty on our community. There's no script. We are always freestyle. It's always live. And you are welcome to join us. So maybe, Steve, you can show what the people can expect when they join us.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I'll just show you just a nice visual of what we see day to day, what we're looking at, what everyone can expect. So here, yeah, plain and simple. We have our main indicators, S&P. S&P truly gives you that overall look of where the market's heading intraday, or it could be long term, could be short term, it doesn't matter. So the S&P is always our main guy. That's what we're looking at, whether we're trading the NASDAQ, we're trading the euro dollar, oil, gold. If you trade Bitcoin, it doesn't matter. S&P is just our main indicator right here that we look at. We always have that visual. And that's how it is. It's not a signal. And again, we like to reiterate, we're not giving signals here. We're not teaching people strategies. We're just trying to offer advice, how to look at the market from a broader perspective, how that hedge funds look at it, how the analysts look at it when they're trading, where they're making the best decisions possible. So you have the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the VIX. These are nice confluences to have in front of your charts, to speak out loud about, especially, you know, when we're in the live trading room, we're always shouting out ideas, because it's important never to trade alone, never to keep yourself in the dark, quiet. You always want to be kind of saying ideas out loud, confirming different trends, because the market can always reverse, overturn at any point. So it's always important to have these parameters in front. And this is just kind of where we're looking at, like as an example here. And yeah, like I said, like it's just everything's presented, and our main brokers that we are trading, whether on futures or FX, we show as well. So I have my trading view set up here that everyone can see, as well as my MT5 as well. I trade directly on the MT5. I position my trades, I show you my stops, I show you my risk parameters, my levels, and everything's there for you guys. Patrick on the other end trades futures. He has a couple other accounts with his hedge funds he trades, and everything's brought to you guys. Nothing's hidden, everything's shown, how we're entering, how we're exiting, what's happening, especially with our live flow data with options market. That's another big edge that we provide, that we help with our viewers as well, is all the data we get from the options market. Because when you look at the futures, when you look at FX, you don't get anything from that extent, for that deepness of institutional levels, whether it's volume, gamma levels, dark pools. We get it all from the options market. So that's another level that we offer, just as an insight. Again, it's not signals, it's not strategies, it's just something to be aware of once price is reacting from it. And then we mention it every time. We give a deep dive. We make our decisions. If we need to reverse out of our short, we shout it out. We let you know why, and then we move on. If not, everything's discussed in the Q&A. And yeah, everything's provided there. So what do you think, Patrick?
Yeah, so Steve was bringing this exactly on the point, and let's speak about what we trade. So we trade mainly. I'm trading the futures. I'm trading the NQ, the MNQ, the ES sometimes. But when I'm trading for my hedge fund account, I have also swing positions in the stock market. I have swing positions in the oil market. I have swing positions in the forex market. So you can say we trade everything. So the only thing what we don't trade is at the moment is Bitcoin and options. But we love to trade also with options data. So we get many options data. So we have, for example, quant data. The other example what we have is we use spot gamma hero indicator. So we use so many data to make good decisions. So you are welcome to see how we trade, how we interpret something. And that's the beauty also in our community. You can trade with us everything. So we have in the live trading room, we have people who trading gold. We have people who trading oil. We have people who trading stocks. We have people who trading futures. So we have everything in our community. So and that's the cool thing. If you are a trader, then it's always the same: reading the chart and make good decisions. And your job as a trader is to manage risk and not the market. So, and this is something what we want to teach you also in the live trading room.
Yeah, exactly. Is respecting the market and respecting the data what comes in, and always keeping a neutral bias, never being married too long to a position, because that can ruin you. Always keeping a neutral bias, playing defense, protecting your capital. That's what matters. Because if you're not respecting the market, if you're not expecting certain levels that institutions are starting to run into, then you can't call yourself a trader, because you have to be balanced at all times, not imbalanced. So that's another thing that we look at, is a lot of imbalances that happen in the market, what levels they're reacting from. And yeah, we measure everything this way. So yeah, just a little visual here, you guys, what we look at day to day, Monday to Friday, always in the New York session. And then also we wanted to bring up the resources that we have. Patrick, do you want to go into the resources first that's provided in the community?
So you can find now the CWT live trading room interviews now. So we have here first the quant data interview with the CEO. Then the Lilo CEO was showing up. It was a really nice interview. It was mind-blowing how to think about the prop firms and all this stuff. And also Brand Kombusha from Spot Gamma, he was talking with us. It's crazy. It was also completely mind-blowing and mind-shifting. And last but not least, we have the Darwinex CEO. He was straightforward. He was not holding his back. Is he say everything what he's saying and what is in his mind. And also my personally a long-term mentor, Mr. Kramer, was in the live trading room. And so when you scroll down in the resources, you see only we have universal takeaways. So we have guiding a stock trader into the world of futures and indies trading. And here's the story behind this. So we have a stock trader. He was really successful and he was back testing everything. He was really good in this, what he was doing. But he was working 9 to 5 and all the stuff. He was a little bit busy because to looking to the scanner and all the stuff. So we was teaching him about, hey, how's going on with futures when you trade futures? And after the teaching, 1 month later, he get a 300K funded account only with trading oil. So, and this was crazy. So this was one of our teachings, what you can find here in the live trading room. Also, insights from the trading flow. We speak about everything what you know. We speak about trading setups, the 15-minute, 1-minute candle, gamma exposure, tape reading, and much, 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 much more. So every time when we get questions from our community members, we will record this and you will find this here. So also trading mindset and behavior, it's really important to know psychology triggers. This is one of my favorite things. So what triggers you, why you make any mistakes when you trade the market, why you're oversizing, why you get not out of your losing positions, all this stuff. We speak about this completely. So this was completely mind-blowing. I think the psychology trigger session is more than 90 minutes. So it was crazy. We have also spontaneous mentorship sessions, mindset, money, and business. This was 2 hours, the risk management strategy, 30 minutes. So you find in the resources, I think, many, many hours where you can teach yourself. And here's the point. So we have also some people in our community, they cannot trade the New York Open with us. So we trade most of the time the New York Open, but also when we have special events, we will trade this also. What are special events? It's FOMC, CPI, and all this stuff. We will trade this live in the live trading room. So, but here's the case. So if you have not time to maybe come every day to us, you can use the resources. You can learn from them. It's like the Netflix for traders. It's crazy what you get in this. So, and also if you have any questions and maybe you cannot show up, you have the ability to write us a message and we will ask your question live in the live trading room. We will record this and you will find this some hours later in our resources and you can speak about this. Also, we have all about business. So we have a tax advisor in our live trading room. It's crazy. He was speaking about taxes. It was a really great session and all this stuff. And we have also the book club in our live trading room. We have spontaneous session. We speak about all the books. The last book talk what we have was Trading in the Zone. It's a big classicer. So, and what we are also proud about, we speak every month about the Trader's Trap. So we don't celebrate our wins. Of course, we make every time wins, but the best lessons teach us our losers. So and we speak about in the community. We share our best losers from the last period. So and what was the lessons? Why we was going into the trade? Why we take the losses? What was going on? Psychology, technical setup. We speak about this, and this is also mind-blowing. You can learn from everyone. Steve, so it's your favorite. So why is this your favorite?
Because it brings to the table your accountability. That's why it's my favorite. And people bring forth, like you said, their different ideas, their different strategies. But end of the day, once everyone kind of gathers all their insights, why they put on more risk, this and that, end of the day, everyone comes together with the same conclusion, and we build as a team. And going forward, we better our trading. That's the whole point of this. You gather all your thoughts. End of the day, everyone has the same conclusion, whether it has to, even with strategies, even with discipline, risk management. So this is why this is so important, because it makes people more accountable. You show it, everyone shares their screen, and they present their, you know, why this was such a bad losing day, whether it was a losing trade or losing day, you know. So this is why it's, for me, it's one of the most important topics that we discuss in the live training room, right? Like this end of the day, it's about treating this like a business, and we show from A to Z, whether it's, you know, tax wise, how you can benefit, whether it's from your psychology that can also leap into your personal life as well and better you as a, you know, personally, like whether it has to do your friends, your family, or whatnot. Trading truly identifies and looks into everything, whether it comes to business or it comes to your personal life. So this is why truly it's for us, it's just such a great joy we were able to, you know, make this our career and offer you guys this live trading room. And yeah, just going forward, you know, we always wanted to be fully accountable, you know, be respectful to everyone. And of course, you know, like once everyone comes in, they have any questions, like Patrick said, send us a message, send us an email. We'll get to you right away. And yeah, let's go. Let's start this journey.
That's a good point. And here's some other good point. So the main action you will find in our live trading room in the Zoom calls, you have the link, it's called Live Room. So then you can go into our Zoom room. So we start every time at 9:15. So Steve was saying how long we trade. It's depend on the market. It's depend on what's going on and all the stuff. So we have open end. So sometimes we're trading 2 hours, sometimes we're trading 4 hours. It's depend on the market. So it's and everyone is welcome. So and yeah, you get the Q&A and all the stuff. So also we have a small chat room. You see it there. It's like chat. It's not so much active because all the people join us in the Zoom call. We can speak in a Zoom call together and all the stuff. So this is why you don't see any classical action what you maybe see in other the live trading rooms. If you join other live trading rooms, you have a big chat where 1,000 people are. They message, sometimes bullshit, sometimes it's worthy, but I don't will say something about this. So it's completely different on our side. We have the Zoom room. This is our main place where we talk together, and you have the resources. So that's your two places, the Zoom call and the resources. Sometimes you can use also the chat to communicate or say something. You are welcome to do this. So, but yeah, that's our 2 points. So what is really important? And I will share with you 2 lessons, and maybe Steve can do this later. So two points why I'm love the live trading room is. So the first point is you have not to trade alone. We trade as a team, and we have more than 2 eyes together. So someone is seeing something in the news, someone is watching for other stocks, someone is watching the oil market, someone is watching gold and something else. So they shut out something, and this have also some effect in our live trading. So because we working as a team, we are teams. So we are only strong when we work together. So, and this is some beauty point what I really love. And the second point is when I see how the people growing, when they joining our live trading room and they stay maybe for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months or longer time, they grow from the starting point to where they are now. That's amazing how much they grow and all the stuff. It's not the people, the members, how they grow. It's also me and it's Steve. So we're growing together as a team every day. So we get more and more experience as a team, 10x more experience as when you trade alone, because you see so many different views from the market and all the stuff. It's crazy. So Steve, do you have also 2 points what you really like on our live trading room?
Yeah, my main one is time. And if people think, hey, I'll join this group for a month, 2 months, I'm going to become a millionaire. No, you can't rush it, because if you start rushing the market, it's going to take you out and you might not ever come back. It's about longevity. It's about stretching. Like a lot of times I say, stretch out your stop loss, stretch out your risk, stretch out your parameter. When you start taking trading seriously, like this group, it takes time, and more time you put into trading the market live, whether you're observing or whether you're using a demo account or real funds, the more time you spend live in the market, the better you'll be. So that's why we always advise, don't backtest too much. Sure, backtesting is good to a certain point, but once you start spending more time in the live market, more time in groups like this that, you know, conduct their business well at a certain risk parameter, sure, we might have some losses here, but as long as the losses are cut short and we let our winners run, that's all that matters. End of the day, like you do in any sort of business, right? It's always about benefiting yourself and benefiting how you can increase your P&L, and it's going to take time. So for me, it's all about being patient, being disciplined, and just being excited as well. Because it's like, sure, like a lot of times trading can be, you know, a little tedious, a little slow, but it's all about being patient, waiting for the move. And just one setup comes for the day, it comes. And you capitalize on it, and it'll be important to reward yourself. So Patrick and I, you know, like we're here in the long game. We're not here in the short term. We're here, you know, to provide you guys, you know, an insight. And yeah, we're excited to create this group for everyone. So yeah.
Yeah, that's amazing. So I think you get now a really good overview, and you get many reasons why you have to join us, why you have to click buy button. So if you have any questions, you can contact us. So you can find us also on Twitter. So my name is Daytrader Pat. Steve, what is your name on Twitter?
Yeah, I'm on Libra_trades. Also Steve B. So yeah, you can find us on Twitter. You can find us in the CWT program as well. So yeah.
You find us everywhere. So
yeah.
If you have any questions, you can contact us, but much more important is to take the next step in your trading journey. Join the live trading room, take the next step, learn from our resources, learn from our experience, and yeah, we are happy to help you. You are the next story from the live trading room. I will see you, how you grow. So it's not my bank account or my trading account what I will see grow. It's much more important to see how you grow as a trader, how I can support you, how Steve can support you. So
Yeah.
and you have here now, I think more than 35 years of experience or something like this. So it's really crazy what you have here. So go ahead, join us, and we are so happy to see you. And yeah, so Steve, you have the last words.
Yeah. Thanks again. And yeah, hopefully this was everything you guys look for in the intro. Join us, and yeah, let's grow together. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Have a nice day. We see us.
See you.
Bye.